Hello everyone, welcome back to Mamta Nival tutorial. And guys, in this video we'll talk about the strategies, what kind of strategies we are planning for this time for TGT Natural Science exam. Okay, one thing I really want to mention you that I will upload two videos of same concept, so that in English and Hindi, so that you can able to understand whatever language you want, English or Hindi. Go to the channel or see the videos. If you are comfortable in English language, watch that videos. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, watch that video. Okay, so in on my channel all the concepts and all the chapters will be of in two language, English as well as Hindi. Okay, so now back to our concept. What we are talking about the strategies for TGT Natural Science 2021. Okay, what will be our strategies? Like on Monday and Tuesday we are planning for the science subject, because we have a lot of syllabus 6 to 10th we need to cover. So it contains lot of chapters which we need to cover, so we need more days also. I know on initial stage we are taking 4 days of week for the science, because we have a lot of syllabus, we need to cover more syllabus, that's why we are taking 4. But I'm telling you all the overview of the planning. Okay, so Monday Tuesday science will be there. On Wednesday we will take maths and reasoning portion. Okay, what is maths and reasoning? Like, maths will include the arithmetic and numerical ability, and reasoning will include the general intelligence and reasoning ability both. Okay, so 20 marks question will come from this maths portion, and 20 marks question will come from the reasoning one. So we will covering all those concepts as well as the practice sets on Wednesday. Now on Thursday we are taking English, and on Friday we will take Hindi. Okay, we will prepare for English and Hindi respectively. On English and Hindi we will take all the practice sets also, like for the paragraphs practice sets, for the vocabulary and other things, whatever I think that which is more important for TGT Natural Science exam. So we will focus on those concepts. Okay, and on Saturday we will focus on pedagogy, which is more important nowadays. Most of the people face a lot of problem in pedagogy, which is very easy, guys. If we understand it, the concept, main concept of pedagogy, that will be very easy to clear or get more marks in this. So this time 20 marks question will coming from pedagogy, so we need to score these 20 marks also. So on Saturday we will focus all the questions of pedagogy and all the concepts of pedagogy. On Sunday, what we will do on Sunday, we will taking Sunday as for practice set. Okay, whatever we study in whole week, we will take a test of that all those concepts, and we will see like how much we can score. So that will also help us to understand the questions and understand our level of understanding, like we are getting the concept or not. Okay, that will help us also in practice. So that on Sunday we will take general awareness also, some concepts of general awareness also, because I'm personally don't want to focus on general awareness. Like, I do not want to give more time of our week for general awareness, because it comes for only 20 marks, and the syllabus is very vast. We cannot cover all the syllabus of general awareness. They can ask questions from anywhere. So main concept we will take in this on Sunday. Like, on one video I will make for the general awareness, so that maybe if 5 questions come from these general awareness, that will also benefit you. Okay, so on Sunday we will take the practice set as well as some videos of general awareness. This is how our strategies will go. But on initial stage I want to take these days also for science subject. Okay, this is very important. because we have a lot of syllabus we need to cover and the time is very limited. So on Thursday and Friday also we are taking science for some days, okay, for some weeks we are taking science on Thursday and Friday also. After the initial stage we will take our focus on the English and Hindi, and their syllabus is very small, so we can cover it within the 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so that would not be a problem or any issue. So on Thursday, Friday, nowadays on Monday, Tuesday we will take science. Wednesday we will take the videos of maths and reasoning. Thursday and Friday we'll study science subject. Saturday pedagogy, and Sunday the practice sets or general awareness. So this is how our strategies will go to understand or to learn about the TGT natural science exam and to clear this exam this time. Okay. Thank you guys. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestions, please do comment on the comment section, and thank you so much guys for watching this video.